Okay, so do you know this word?
Go.
Going.
Going.
R.
R.
Okay, what's this word again?
Going.
And what's this word?
R. On.
No.
Oh, to.
What's this word again?
Do.
R.
Going.
Okay, and then what's this word?
We.
Okay, what's this word again?
R. Going. With Lola.
Well, we're videotaping it. Okay, and what's this word again? Okay. Okay, let me rearrange these a little bit. Okay, ready?
Yep. Yep. We are going to you.
Sound it out. D. Me. O. Okay, so let's try one more time. Does that say Disney?
Yeah.
What does that say? Land. Let's try it again.
Disneyland.
So let's say it one more time. Ready?
We are going to Disneyland. Oh yeah. Cool.
No,
we are going to Disneyland.
We are.
Cool. Tonight.
We are going in 2 days.
Where are we going?
To Disneyland.
We're going to Disneyland. We're going to ride all the rides. Which rides do you want to ride?
Pirate.
What do you want to ride? You want to ride that jungle? What about the Jungle Cruise?
Yeah, Jungle Cruise. Buzz Lightyear.
How about Haunted House?
Oh,